OpenBSD developers were not happy with the complexity of sudo and its configuration, so they created doas as an alternative. Doas comes with OpenBSD based system, but by default this is disabled. Now let's try to view the bf.config file. It requires root privilege, so permission denied. Now let's try with doas. Doas is not enabled. We need to create a doas.config file to enable this. Now let's try again. Okay, the operation is not permitted. By default, doas deny everything, so we need to add rules to give the permission. Here we permit wheel group to run command as root. This time the user is able to see the bf.config file. But it's asking password every time I run doas. Now let's change that so that it will never ask for password. Yeah, now it's not asking for a password, but I don't want that. I want it will ask for a password and then it will remember and not asking for a password for a while. doas has a keyword for that, persist. Now it's asked for a password and it will remember it for 5 minutes or so. But if I want to make it forget the password, then I could run this doas-l. So now it's asking for a password again. Now let's see how we could add a deny rule. Now they cannot delete the file, which is good. We are only allowing cat command for this user, so it can view files that require root privilege, but it cannot perform any other operation that requires root privilege. This will check, do I have the permission to run the command without executing the command. doas also have two keyword keep-env and setenv for environment variable. Keep-env will keep all of your environment variables. If you don't want to override all the variables, you can use setenv, where you can pick and choose which variables you want to retain